In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autofill in Google Sheets. Autofill can be quite useful when you're trying to quickly populate large datasets, but sometimes it can get in the way, especially when you want to maintain manual control over your data entry. Let's take a closer look at how you can manage this feature in Google Sheets by following these straightforward steps. First, we'll need to open a Google Sheet. You can either open an existing one from your Google Drive or create a new one if you'd like to follow along step by step with this tutorial. Having your data ready to interact with will make it easier to visualize each step we'll discuss. Once you've got your sheet up and ready, let's dive into the process. Start by typing in some numbers to use as your basis. Enter the number 1 into cell A1, 2 into cell A2, and finally, 3 into cell A3. By inputting these numbers, we're setting up a sequence that will help us see autofill in action. Now, press the Enter key. This ensures your last entry, the number 3 in cell A3, is committed to the spreadsheet. Next, click and drag your mouse to highlight the cells from A1 to A3. This step is crucial because it allows Google Sheets to recognize the pattern you've established. With the cells highlighted, utilize the autofill feature by clicking and dragging the small blue square at the bottom right corner of your selection, downward. This action replicates your original pattern across additional rows and demonstrates how autofill propagates data sequentially. Next, let's move over to cell B1. Here you will input a formula. Type in the equal sign followed by $1. By using a $sign within your formula, you're creating an absolute reference which ties the formula to a specific row. Let's continue. Type the formula equal $2 into the next cell down, B2, and then equal $3 in B3. This helps show another way autofill can be restrained by using absolute references. Once you've entered your formulas, press Enter again to lock it in. Now, highlight cells B1 through B3 to execute the autofill one more time, but with absolute references intact. As a final step, click and drag from this selection downward in the same manner as before. Notice how the values repeat, adhering strictly to the respective cells you've referenced earlier. This effectively prevents Google Sheets from automatically filling in what it thinks should come next. Following this sequence allows you to manage the autofill behavior in your spreadsheets, giving you more control over how data is entered and maintained. Remember, understanding how to customize these tools empowers you to work more efficiently with your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you achieve greater clarity in organizing your spreadsheets in Google Sheets.